Hi there, thanks for joining me. In this Repricer.com video, we're going to show you how you can review your Amazon rules performance. When repricing, it's important to always keep your rules under review, seeing what settings work for you and which don't. Using this feature, you can make changes to your rules and see how it impacts your rules performance. To get started, let's go to the Rules screen. Go to Repricing Rules on the side of your screen. From there, as this is tied to Amazon, we need to change our rule dropdown to Amazon Repricing Rules. On the top right hand side of your screen, you'll see the Performance button. Click it now to pull up our Rules Performance. The Rules Performance section gives you a quick overview on the main table of core performance, buy box ownership, revenue, profit, and profit margin. The total profit and profit margin will only be available on our Ultimate plan. Simply click on any of the rules to pull up a more detailed breakdown of its performance. On the left, we have a breakdown of any products assigned to the rule. It'll also give you information about products without min-max, as well as products that are at your minimum price. Simply click on any of the numbers to bring up these products on the product screen. In the center, we have a chart that gives us our sales performance for this rule. This allows you to track how your rule is performing and how many configured products are selling through it. And to the right, we have some more important statistics relating to how your product is repricing. How many products have won and not won the buy box, how many price changes have recently occurred, and if any products within this rule have yet to reprice. And that's why this is so important if you are making changes to your rules. By keeping track of these numbers, you can see how any rule changes you make impact your direct performance. I would strongly recommend using this at any time you're making any changes to your rules. If you'd like to learn more about what you can do with Repricer.com, we have tons more videos on the channel that can help. If you haven't yet started your trial, we offer one free for 14 days, no credit card required. Or why don't you get in touch and book a demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining me today and have a great day.